we are carrying forward with 100 faces who will be recognized, women entrepreneurs and faces who are doing something out of the box and trying to create a mark for themselves. This incubator is basically helping women to scale up their businesses nationally and internationally across the globe. Women Innovator has an outreach in 20 countries with 100 plus cities in India and is focusing on 90 plus sectors of various businesses which these women are doing. It's an initiative to support women entrepreneurs and startups. I would like to mention here again, and we host several events like We Pitch, which we are witnessing today, along with We Coffee Table, We Equity program, where we help women with funding support, We Talk, and We Embassy programs, to name a few. Moving ahead and moving forward, because of paucity of time, I would like to introduce our influencer of Madhya Pradesh chapter, Ms. Pallavi Vyas, to the August gathering. She is Managing Director of Shanta Farms and President of Shanta Social Welfare Society, working towards cow dairy farming, agribusiness, and export activities, helping hand in hand with farmer community for encouragement of organic produce with the support of Shanta Social Welfare Society. She had received many international and national awards and recognitions and working very hard towards bringing awareness in the ecosystem towards organic food and organic producers. So I welcome Ms. Pallavi Vyas, and I would like ma'am to please introduce herself and take the event forward. Pallavi ji, please.
Thank you so much, Ranjana ji, for the nice introduction. And I would like to introduce, because the Women Innovator program, as you said, it is a very good program, and it is in every way women will benefit from it. So I'll introduce my Zuri for the today's VPitch VPitch program. So I introduce first of all Mr. Hemant Mehtani. Is he there? Mr. Hemant Mehtani, he is Director, Hindustan Copper Limited. He is past President, Madhya Pradesh of Industries Association, and he is a very good social worker. Welcome, Hemant Mehtani. I think he is there because he asked me to join in very soon. So don't worry, he'll be there. Secondly, I invite Dr. Bharat Rawat. And especially thanks to the Mr. Bharat Rawat, Dr. Bharat Rawat. He is cardiologist, Vedanta Hospital. He is very good social reputation with the zeal of doing good work, and he is definitely we are proud having you, sir. I introducing my third Zuri member, Mr. Subair Rampurwala. He is conveyor of FIO, MP and Chhattisgarh. He is also very keen to encourage industries for all export and import related activities. So thank you, sir, for having us today in the today's session. Mr. Nilesh Trivedi, Assistant Director, MSME Development Institute, Indore, Government of India, Ministry of MSME. He always supports MSME and women entrepreneur for availing good government facilities in any ways. So he'll be also there, or maybe he is joining us very soon because he is into the Harda in a government meeting. Miss Pooja Soni, he's into taxation officer, and she is an enthusiastic lady with passion, and she's doing very good in because she is a very young lady professor, young lady taxation director. So I welcome her also. And because and I lastly my as a Zuri, I introduce Dr. Ranjana Patel, because without her this program, this woman, this VPitch program from Madhya Pradesh, I cannot imagine. Thank you, Ranjana ji, for supporting us in all the way. And today I invite my two special Zuri guests, Mr. Sanjeev Patni. Sorry, sir, Mr. Sanjeev Patni, who is a CEO, AIC Prestige Inspire Foundation, Indore, technology enthusiast and evangelist. So welcome, Mr. Sanjeev. And the second jury, I would like to invite Miss Poonam Guman, who is from Ekam Studio, and she supported anonymously in the WIPITCH, our Women Innovator chapter Indore. She is from Diziana Group. So welcome, Mrs. Poonam. Thank you all my jury members. So today is the VPIT session. We have to conduct and we have to judge them in all the way, because the our Indore and MP ladies from Madhya Pradesh made very good videos. So together we will watch it, and thank you so much.
Thanks a lot, Pallaviji, for introducing our jury to the August gathering. Moving on, now I would like to introduce Ms. Pallavi Vyas, who's a CA by profession and postgraduate in law. She is the founder of Women Innovator and is the person behind KGS Advisors. She is an enthusiast in supporting women entrepreneurs and startups. She goes out of the way to support women entrepreneurs, be it at idea stage, be it at funding stage, be it mentoring. She's a strategist for startups, a pro startup supporter for women. And I would like to introduce Ms. Tripti Singhal to the gathering. Tripti, madam, can we have you?
Yes, thank you so much, Ranjana and Pallavi ji. It's my pleasure to have you both really working hard to empower and take forward the mission of women empowerment. Today, I would say to all the people who are joined us, our jury who are giving us time, that I'm really thankful, and this will be a due on me from your side, your time commitment, and all the participant. I would say, don't worry about winning. It's not about just winning. Today we are listening to you. There's a possibility only 6 people will be chosen for awards, but other few would be can also avail our incubation, where you will be given, almost 2 months interactions with established mentors and one-to-one interaction for a month. And you can be, you can take help from different initiatives like Ranjana ji told about, like vendor meets, because today 3% procurement policy of women-owned businesses, all the PSUs, all the public enterprises have to buy from women-owned businesses. So we are working not only with public sector undertaking but also private. Just a few minutes back, I have proposed that all our women-owned businesses products should be listed in one of the luxury retail shops. So we are working hard to put your products at a place so that the distribution can be ensured, a bigger revenue can be ensured, you can get the right place to mentor, you get verified people to help you, because there are a lot of ways people are reaching out to misguide and take advantage of women owned businesses and women social activists and leaders. So verified influencers, verified mentors, verified supporter is what we take a pride in. You can also visit womenmark, WOMEN mark.com, where more than 1,000 women have listed their product, which are supported by Women Innovator. So we will not stop, and I'm sure all our people who are attached to it will not stop to support you. So don't worry today who is the result, what are the results. We are listening to you, our jury are listening to you. You may not be in the top 6, but you are there. We are there to help you even then. So thank you so much. Over to you, Ranjana ji. Good luck, everyone.
Thank you very much, Tripti ma'am. And it's really nice of you. And I would like to mention a special thank to her for taking initiative in state of Madhya Pradesh. Also, I understand ma'am works in every state, but she was very, very much focused upon the possibilities and opportunities which exist in the state of Madhya Pradesh. So thanks a lot, Tripti ma'am, for working with us, with our incubator and with our state. And taking this forward, now I would like to tell you that how are we taking this event. We have invited pitches from women entrepreneurs, startups, business women who are doing something out of the box and who need support and who look forward to handholding. And our esteemed jury will go through these videos. It's a 1-minute pitch video which has been submitted by these startups, and the selected 17 startups which were very good and compelling have been selected to pitch today. So these are the selected lots which you'll be going through today, and we request you to mark them on the sheets which we have provided you. And over to you, Hariomji. Hariomji will be and his team will be playing the videos one by one with the name of the person who has applied for the contest. So Hariomji, over to you.
Thank you, Rajna ma'am. So I'll be playing the videos of the participants one by one, and all the participants are already here. If you have any queries, you can ask questions right away to them. Okay, so I'm announcing the first name.
हरिओम जी, मैं एक मिनट हिंदी में भी अनाउंसमेंट कर देती हूँ बिकॉज सबकी लैंग्वेज यहाँ पे अलग अलग होगी. सो आज हमारे सारे जूरी मेंबर्स यहाँ पर प्रेजेंट हैं और सारे जो विमेन फेसेस हैं जिन्होंने अप्लाई किया था उनमें से सिलेक्टेड कैंडिडेट्स के पिचेस को हमारी जूरी ने सिलेक्ट किया हुआ है और आज उनके हम 1 मिनट पिच वीडियो सबको दिखाएंगे. एंड सारे के सारे हमारे कॉन्टेस्टेंट्स भी आज इस इवेंट में मौजूद हैं. तो अगर जूरी आफ्टर लुकिंग टू द वीडियो कुछ उनसे क्वेश्चन करना चाहते हैं या समझना चाहते हैं तो दे कैन आस्क क्वेश्चन आल्सो एज सून एज दैट 1 मिनट वीडियो पिच इज ओवर. सो स्टार्टअप से भी अनुरोध है और जो वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर जिन्होंने अप्लाई किया है कि आपका अगर वीडियो प्ले हो रहा है तो प्लीज बी अटेंटिव एंड प्लीज बी रेडी फॉर क्वेश्चंस आल्सो. हरिओम जी, वी कैन प्ले नाउ.
ओके.
Few of the major problems which we face during our panel today were insects, bacteria, fungus, and microbes remains on the fabrics due to vomits, dead skin, feces, etc. So we believe that we have one of the most effective and safe technology for protection against insect, bacteria, and fungus in a form of technical apparels and fabrics for commercials and industrial purpose. Fabrics are features like long-lasting. They follow WHO guidelines. They're laboratory tested, safe, and eco-friendly. So we till now we applied around 5,000 uniforms, around 50,000 plus bed sheets at Amazon.com. We are been supplying laboratory coats to Glenmark. We are about to list ourselves at Amazon.in. Firstcry.com. We are a company of turnover 3 CR. We have been incubated by NSRCL IIM Bangalore. I have been to Israel, which was first sponsored by DST and IIM Bangalore. Thank you. Myself, Shrestha, Clothing Innovations Private Limited.
Ms. Shrestha, if you're here, please raise your hand. Any jury, you have any question? Okay, Ms. Shrestha is not here. So, the jury members are requested
so
to
she comes
mark
into the category of
accordingly.
entrepreneur, is that right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Yeah, Shrestha is here, sir. She's just joining. She's here. Are there any questions from any of the jury members which you would like to ask, or can we move to the next?
So, Shrestha, are you originally from India? Shreshthas are from Nepal.
Yeah, I'm from Indore.
And you are from Indore. And your marketing is where all I think I missed that part. Where all are you marketing the product?
So we are doing currently at Amazon.com, and we have planning to launch a product at Amazon.in, Firstcry, Flipkart.
And all the products which we have done, it was B2B. So we have done for school uniforms, Glenmark. We have even supplied at Glenmark, and few other contracts which was for bed linens and curtains. A private dealer used to deal with it. So that was on fabricating, or what you say, washing. So we have already done washing. So B2C we have currently started in India. B2B we have been doing it like from the start. That was our forte.
And Dr. Patni has a question, sir.
Hello.
Hariomji, we have to unmute Dr. Patni.
Yeah.
Yes, sir, you're audible.
No, I was just trying to ask Shrestha, what kind of team do you have and what kind of projections do you have? Anything in mind?
So the team is like we have done a contract kind of a job with a vendor. So he does right now all the washing thing. We have bought a plot near Indore only to get everything in house, which would take approximately 1.5 years. We were supposed to get the funding from textile industry India, but due to this COVID, there was a change in their norms. We were in the micro, we were customized into the micro, but the change in the norms in last year of this COVID, we have come as a macro. So that's a hold right now. Otherwise, that would be done. But we are looking forward to build our new factory outlet, which would be doing everything in house within 1.5-2 years. And as we have getting a very good response, so that's the reason we thought to shift to B2C from B2B. B2B is still going on, but recently we have tried shifting to B2C to Indian market, because there is a lack of awareness and people really don't understand that this kind of thing actually happens. So to get the confidence of those people, we took that much of time, and we are slowly launching it. We're not doing it at very fast pace, because still people need to understand. And this 1 year, everything has become slow because thing has shifted to virus as compared to bacterial, microbial, and insect. So we are again pacing up, and we are slowly getting to B2C market. I hope I answered your question, or you wanted to know.
No, I'm fine. Thank you very much.
Yeah. Thank you, sir, for your question.
Hariomji, can we move to another participant?
Yes, next is Ms. Shakshi Balde.
To overcome the inhibitions, to get that very feel of self-dependence, a girl must travel. And to make the travel fantasies of girls come true, me and my team is working constantly.
Any jury member have any query? Ms. Sakshi, are you there? Please raise your hand.
Sakshi is not there, sir.
Okay. So,
So actually, we could not understand much about the.
I'll just brief you in a bit, sir, because I've gone through this entire thing. So she's basically into women travel. So she organizes destination travels and picnic spots only specifically for women groups, women who are working in offices or are living in communities and want to travel alone. So she organizes safe trips for them. And she organizes everything around, like not only the travel, but the food and games and events and everything, so that women can also travel alone and see the world. Because as a youth, she felt that young girls are not allowed to travel because of safety norms. So this is what she's trying to do, and help everybody travel and see the world safely.
Okay.
Sakshi is not there. So Hariom sir, can we move ahead?
Miss Aarti Saxena, if you are here, any jury want to ask a question? No, Aarti is not here. Okay, moving to the next.
Namaste. I am architect Snehal
Next is Miss Snehal Sontake. I'm playing that video.
Namaste. I am architect Snehal Sontake from Indore, Madhya Pradesh. I am practicing architecture and interiors for last 17 years. During this pandemic, everyone realized that home is the best vaccine against COVID or any such future viruses. So, realizing the need and importance of efficient home with proper planning, material application, sufficient light, air and ventilation, we at Cubus aim to provide a complete home solution which is budget friendly and fulfills everyone's requirement. We are also working on a solution where the client can pay on EMI basis and interior cost does not bother his or her pocket. We are
Hariyo, is there any problem in voice? Yeah, video is still.
Okay,
There's some
not
problem in
playing
the video
video.
is not playing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is she around? Can we talk to her?
Yes, she's here.
Hi, Snehal. So we saw the half of your video, I guess. So
Yeah.
how do you think is how is this different from a usual architecture? What are the
Okay.
salient features?
Yeah, very good afternoon, all the jury members. Basically, I would like to complete the video which said it is solving a major problem. Basically, during this COVID situation and this pandemic situation, everybody realized the importance of home and how the home plays a very important role in everybody's life, because nobody had spent so much time at home, and how a functional home, a well-planned home, which is proper air and ventilated, is necessary for everybody's daily life and functioning. And see, initially it was considered that interiors is only the done applicable for the people who have a lot of money in hand or a pocket or in their pockets. But now the solution which we are offering is we are giving solutions which are budget friendly, which fits in everyone's pocket. And जनरली क्या होता है सर कि रेसिडेंस ले लिया एंड इंटीरियर्स के लिए हमारे पास पैसे नहीं रहते हैं, जनरली क्लाइंट्स का ये प्रॉब्लम रहता है. So the solution which we are trying to offer is we are helping them pay on EMI basis, and we are customizing the type of furniture. We are also developing an app for the same, wherein they can select the type of furniture, the scheme, and so that they get easy and ready solution within their pockets, and we'll be able to customize the solutions for them also at affordable price. So it reaches to masses. It does not stand for higher community or middle income community. It reaches to masses.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
So moving to the next, Vinita Jaiswal.
Vinita, I can't hear you.
ऑडियो नहीं आ रहा है हरिओम जी, ऑडियो.
में बेस्ड हूँ और अभी तक मेरा क्लिनिक गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल से अटैच्ड थी और काउंसलिंग देती थी पेशेंट को, जनरल पब्लिक को. अभी मैंने अपना न्यू वेंचर स्टार्ट किया है हेल्थी फूड्स का. सो मुझे उसमें थोड़ी सी और गाइडेंस चाहिए कि कैसे मैं उसकी शेल्फ लाइफ इम्प्रूव कर सकती हूँ, कैसे मुझे उसको लेकर कौन कौन सी बातें ध्यान में रखनी है, और मैं किस तरह से उसका प्रमोशन बहुत अच्छे से कर सकती हूँ. सो बिजनेस बेसिकली ग्रो करने के लिए मुझे किन किन बातों का ध्यान रखना है, ये सारी गाइडेंस मुझे चाहिए. थैंक यू.
If jury have any question?
Yes, so I would like to ask Vinita कि आपने
she's not here. She's not here.
Oh, she's not here. So she seems to have asked us the market approach, but what is the problem and what is the solution she has to only tell us. So
Okay, sir. Yes, you can mark her accordingly as she's not here to answer your query.
Okay.
So next is Miss Vinika Chandwani.
Hello, I am Vinika Chandwani, founder of Chai Network. We are a food and beverage company concentrating on healthy chai and snacks. We at Chai Network focus on delivering tea and healthy snacks at corporates and educational institutes. To deliver, we have multiple cloud kitchens located closely to corporate areas and educational institutes to ensure we deliver healthy and freshly made chai and snacks to your doorstep. We have a food design lab at Prestige AIC Atal Incubation Center, wherein we use Ayurveda-based principle to design our snacks. What we focus in Chai Network is to ensure healthy lifestyle to our clients.
Okay, Miss Vinika Chandwani is here. If jury have any question.
To ask a question.
So Vinika, sorry, yes.
Sir, please go ahead, sir.
Yeah, Vinika, so what lacuna in the market you see to develop this? What is the new thing that you are trying to fulfill?
Hariom, can you help her out? I think she cannot unmute.
Just a second.
No,
she's
unmuted.
Vinika Chandwani, could you hear me?
I think she cannot unmute herself.
Just a sec. Let me see. Vinika is unmuted. Vinika, are you able to hear us?
I think not. Let's not wait. She's not able to answer our question. You can mark her accordingly. So next is Miss Pooja Dubey Pandey.
Namaste. Myself, Dr. Pooja Dubey Pandey, founder and director of Betty Innovative Private Limited. Our company's mission is to eradicate malnutrition and pollution from our country as well as the whole world. We see that in India, we are producing approximately 700 metric ton of crop residue, which is either being burnt or mismanaged by our farmers. So we have to find out some solution. Besides that, there is some other problem there is a problem of thermocol, which is being non-biodegradable white pollution that is carcinogenic. So we have come up with a solution for all these kind of problems by growing mushrooms, which can be grown on all these agriculture waste, utilizing this agriculture waste. And mushrooms themselves are very healthy superfoods and immunity boosters. So we can sort out the malnutrition issue with the help of mushrooms. Also, the remaining agriculture waste is being utilized by us for making biodegradable packaging articles and trays for packaging, and other articles are also being developed by us. Besides this, we are also developing some value-added products out of mushrooms and moringa and other superfoods to combat the malnutrition issues in India. Therefore,
So apologies, we'll stick to time. It's only 1 minute. So Miss Pooja Dubey, if you are here, please raise your hand. Meanwhile,
Anybody has a question for Pooja?
Pooja, does this product require any kind of certification from regulatory bodies? Pooja Dubey is on mute.
I'd like to answer on her behalf. Yes, it does. And yeah, Pooja ji, aap aa gaye hain kya?
Yes, thank you, sir. Sir, our all the value-added products, they are already FSSAI approved, and rest of the products we have crossed the prototype stage. Actually, we got incubated at Agriculture University, that Indira Gandhi Krishi Vishwavidyalaya, under agribusiness scheme. So we have come up with the prototypes, and we have got the grant to develop the machines to go at a commercial scale. And now we are applying for environmental friendly certification and biodegradable certification for all these products, which are going to be used for packaging and for food packaging and other materials. The rest of the products which are made from mushrooms, we have taken the FSSAI approval for that. Thank you, sir.
Brilliant. Thanks very much. Thank you.
Next clip, Hariom sir.
Yes. Next is Miss Himani Singh. Himani Singh.
एक मिनट हरिओम, can you unmute Mr. Mehtani or all the jury? I think they are
Yes.
muted.
Ma'am, raise hand होता है तो we are unmuting them so that disturbance कम रहे. So hand raise पे we are unmuting everybody.
रंजना, जो जूरी मेंबर है उनको आप अनम्यूट कर
Yes.
दीजिए, क्योंकि ये हमें उसी वक्त प्रश्न पूछना रहता है और एकदम हम कर नहीं पाते हैं. मैं राइट नाउ इंदौर, हरदा से इंदौर जा रहा हूँ, तो डॉक्टर पूजा दुबे से मेरा एक क्वेश्चन था, यदि वो लाइन पर है क्या?
नहीं है वो लाइन पर.
अच्छा, ओके, सब राइट, ठीक है.
क्वेश्चन जरूर शेयर कर दीजिए.
कहना है कि जो जूरीज है उनको आप अनम्यूट करें, एंड आई रेज 2-3 टाइम्स, so there is no point sitting over here if juries have been muted over there.
Sir, Hariom sir,
it's okay. I think Ranjana ji, let's keep them.
I raised my hand 2-3 times. So there is an objection for me कि despite my raising the hand, it was not unmuted.
Okay sir.
Hariom sir, unmute.
Please take it.
It's a great मतलब ऑब्जेक्शनल एंड इंसल्ट ओवर अस कि जूरीज को आपने अनम्यूट करके रखा हुआ है. Jury should be from the starting point. You should have made it unmuted. Carry on, sir.
So let's carry on with Himani Singh.
हाय एवरीवन, मेरा नाम हिमानी सिंह है. मैं रुद्रवीरा एडवर्टाइजिंग नाम की एक फर्म चलाती हूँ. हम एडवर्टाइजिंग के लिए काम करते हैं. हर तरह का एडवर्टाइजिंग मटेरियल और एडवर्टाइजिंग किसी भी तरीके की करवाते हैं, चाहे वो मॉल्स में हो या रोड साइड बैनर्स हों या फ्लैक्स प्रिंटिंग, जिस भी तरह की एडवर्टाइजिंग होती है हम सब कुछ करवाते हैं. पहले मैंने 14 साल तक अपनी लाइफ में टीचिंग की है. मैंने स्कूल से लेकर कॉलेज तक पढ़ाया है बच्चों को. पर ये बिजनेस ज्वाइन करने के पीछे मेरा मकसद था कि मैं अपनी सोसाइटी के लिए कुछ करना चाहती थी जो मैं जॉब के रहते नहीं कर पाती थी. अब अपने एडवर्टाइजिंग के फील्ड में जो मुझे नीडी लोग मिलते हैं, मैं एक एनजीओ भी चलाती हूँ और उस एनजीओ के थ्रू हम लोग डोनेशन ड्राइव और बहुत सारे ऐसे प्रोग्राम्स चलाते हैं जिनसे हम अपने जरूरतमंद लोगों की मदद कर सकें. और उसके पीछे एक मकसद ये भी है कि जो भी हमारे एडवर्टाइजिंग से टच में लोग आते हैं उनको हम एम्प्लॉयमेंट देते हैं और अपने इस बिजनेस के थ्रू मैं सोसाइटी के लिए, समाज के लिए, जरूरतमंदों के लिए काम करने के लिए मैंने अपना.
जी सुबेर जी, you can ask your question.
No, sorry, by mistake it was raised. Sorry.
It's okay. Yeah, Mr. Hemant and Bharat ji, if you have any question, if you can ask.
No question. No.
So is she an entrepreneur or she is a social activist? I would say entrepreneur, I guess. Which category she will fall in?
Sir, entrepreneur, sir.
Entrepreneur. Okay.
I think in the meanwhile, Hariom, we can go next. But I think one of our jury had a question for Pooja. Pooja is already there. So can I request Nileshi, if he was asking some question from Pooja?
Yes, ma'am, I'm here.
Yeah. Nileshi, can you please ask your question from Pooja?
पूजा जी, मुझे ये बताएं कि ये जो आप एग्रीकल्चर वेस्ट से जो एनवायरमेंटल फ्रेंडली प्रोडक्ट्स बना रहे हैं, तो क्या गेहूं का जो वेस्ट है, व्हीट वेस्ट, उससे हम कुछ डिस्पोजेबल कप प्लेट्स बना सकते हैं? कोई टेक्नोलॉजी है हमारे पास?
जी सर, मैंने बनाए हैं ऑलरेडी. बस हम उसमें थोड़ा सा और एडवांसमेंट में काम कर रहे हैं ताकि उसमें ऑयल और वाटर एब्जॉर्प्शन ना रहे. तो वाटर प्रूफिंग एंड ऑयल प्रूफिंग के ऊपर काम कर रहे हैं. ऑलरेडी से डेवलप किया है.
इसमें प्रॉब्लम ये है कि जो प्लाईवुड इंडस्ट्री है वो प्लाईवुड इंडस्ट्री में यदि हम हमारा जो वीट का जो वेस्ट है तो यदि वो हम अटैच करने में सक्सेसफुल हो जाएं तो मध्य प्रदेश।
जी सर मैं सुन रही हूँ।
सर का ऑडियो नहीं आ रहा है मैम।
हाँ वो ट्रैवल कर
Nilesh,
रहे हैं, इज ट्रैवलिंग।
I think he is lost the
अभी ये सब
connection.
सदन स्टेट प्रकार का टेक्निकल एडवांसमेंट है, यदि आपके पास अवेलेबल हो तो बहुत बड़ा माइलस्टोन होगा। मैं जस्ट यही डिस्कस करके आ रहा हूँ हरदा से अभी।
जी सर बिल्कुल किया जा सकता है, बिल्कुल किया जा सकता है।
तो आप ऑफिस में आके मिलिए, हम डिस्कस करते हैं इसको आगे।
श्योर सर। ऑलरेडी सर हम लोग मशरूम का स्पॉन प्रोडक्शन करते हैं, उसमें वीट का यूटिलाइजेशन ही करते हैं मीडिया प्रिपरेशन में।
ठीक है, आप ऑफिस में आके मिलिए, हम डिटेल में डिस्कस करते हैं।
श्योर सर, श्योर।
थैंक यू।
Wonderful. Thank you, Pooja. Thank you. Hariom, now we can go to the next participant. And in case we have missed any questions of the jury, please, we can take even now because the participants are still there.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sadhna Sodani. I am basically a microbiologist and running a diagnostic center, which is a first diagnostic center NABL accredited from Madhya Pradesh. And we have just started COVID testing also. And we have approximately 16 branches in Madhya Pradesh. So this is my professional work. Apart from this, I am Associate Professor, Medical College Microbiology Department, and I am Secretary of IMA, and I am also artist with various social activities like Lions Club and doing lots of social work under the heading of various things like women entrepreneurship, food protection, water protection, environmental protection, blood donation, etc. etc. So बेसिकली मैं ये कहना चाहती हूँ कि वीमेन को यदि मौका मिलता है और उनको कोई हौसला परिवार का मिलता है तो वो कहाँ से कहाँ तक पहुँच सकती हैं। मैं पचमढ़ी में जन्मी थी, एक बहुत छोटे शहर में, तब मैंने सोचा नहीं था कि मैं इतना कुछ कर पाऊंगी, पर मैंने कर पाया। तो मैं इतना ही कहना चाहती हूँ, मंजिलें उन्हीं को मिलती हैं जिनके सपनों में जान होती है, पंखों से कुछ नहीं होता, हौसलों से उड़ान होती है। थैंक यू।
Thank you. Any question for her?
Can I ask a question? Can I ask a question?
Yeah, Bharatji, please.
She's not here. Sadhna Sodani, if you are here. No, she's not.
Can anyone give me an answer? What is the innovation in the whole pathology or the approach she has been doing?
Sir, basically, these entries are under various categories. One is a startup category. One is, a category of business venture, and one is basically, even if it is a MSME or it is any self-made, self-driven business which women are doing, because Women Innovator is a platform by the women and for the women. So women at all levels, at any levels, who are doing anything in the arena of business domain are being invited to apply for Women Faces Award. Tripti ji, if you would like to add something.
Yes, I think not only entrepreneurs. So if you see the three categories, we have social activists, entrepreneurs, and professional, all three categories. So like our jury asked, I think there's no new innovation. But she is able to, pull herself and let such a wonderful business is what we really want to highlight here. Dr. Sanjeev, yeah.
Sure, thanks very much.
Thank you.
Our next participant is Ms. Sania Jeswani.
Before introducing the participants, can we have a small speech from you only, just giving their introduction, what they are doing and something, because sometimes their voice is not clear. We couldn't hear what they are doing. So if the moderator can give us some small detail about their profession or what they are doing, if it is possible right now, I think it's
surely,
late now.
surely, it's a very good idea. Yeah. What we can do is, sir, just let's go through the video. If there is an interruption, of course, I'll fill it in.
Okay.
Great, sir. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Sanya Jaswani and I'm pleased to introduce myself. I'm the Principal Director of Percantech Private Limited. It's a medical technology company that is in that space and is creating innovations and inventions on a day-to-day basis. Currently, we have created a complete revolutionary medtech product that in less than 10 seconds lets you know if you have any infection in the body, including COVID-19. We have created this product that is completely made in India, and we are so proud that we have created something that removes the dependency on China for medical devices. It took us a lot of months of hard work, a lot of dedication to reach at this stage, and we are proud to say that we have contributed in a device that can completely change the landscape of India. Jai Hind.
Can I ask a question?
Yes, sir. Please go ahead. Tanya is there, sir.
She's there. Tanya, can I have a
Yes,
question?
sir. Of course, sir. Please do.
This is the innovation done by you, or you are inheriting your parental business?
No, sir. It is a complete innovation done by me, and it is something that I have done going completely out of the way. My mother is a businesswoman in auto parts, and I'm in the medical field now.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, sir, Sanya is basically an engineer, and she has developed a small device which is not there in the video, which can in 10 seconds let you know about your temperature, SpO2 level, and even can detect COVID-19 at very initial stages. So it's a patented product on which she is working upon, and it's a very promising product for industries and any business venture where you have got a lot of people coming and going on a regular basis if you want to monitor their health and other things.
मैडम रंजना, मैं सानिया मैडम से बात करना चाहता हूँ।
जी सर, जी सर।
क्या ये पेटेंट किया है क्या मैडम आपने?
जी सर, हमने पेटेंट करा है इसको, और हम इसके ऊपर लगभग मार्च से मेहनत कर रहे हैं, जब से कोरोना के पहले केसेस आए थे चाइना के थ्रू इंडिया में।
तो सानिया,
तो आपको पेटेंट मिलने में टाइम लगेगा ना? अभी तो शायद 1.5 ईयर लगेगा पेटेंट।
नहीं सर, हमने स्टार्टअप की पॉलिसी के अंदर उसको 80 डे का फास्ट ट्रैक करवाया है। पेटेंट हमारा फाइल हो चुका है और 80 दिन में ग्रांट हो जाएगा हमें।
So Sanya, I have a question for you.
अरे वाह,
sure sir,
very good, very good.
So first of all, congratulations.
मैं ये जानना चाहता हूँ कि आप बिलोंग करते हैं? You are belongs from which state?
सर मध्य प्रदेश ओनली, इंदौर से।
आप किस स्टेट से बिलोंग करते हैं?
सर मध्य प्रदेश।
ओह, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। तो जरूर एमएसएमई ऑफिस आइए, हम आगे कैपेसिटी बिल्डिंग करते हैं आपका।
बिल्कुल सर, बिल्कुल। थैंक यू सो मच।
So congratulations, Sanya, for this innovation. My question to you is, so what way you make the detection? Like, what is this device like? What do you detect?
So basically, this device is innovative because what we do, we take all of your body parameters. We take your SpO2 levels, pulse rate, breathing rate, respiratory rate, heart rate variability, and we try to create your health profile. Now, basically, you can imagine this device like it is a virtual doctor. मतलब एक तरीके से डॉक्टर आपके पास रोज आके आपका चेकअप कर रहा है. This is what this device does, and it monitors your health. मॉनिटरिंग का अभी सर ऑक्सफोर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी की तरफ से एक रिसर्च पेपर प्रिंट हुआ था, जिसमें उन्होंने कहा था कि हेल्थ मॉनिटरिंग के द्वारा आप कोई सी भी डिजीज के बारे में बता सकते हैं उसके सिम्टम्स आने के बहुत पहले से, and that is exactly what.
Hold on, Sanya. Look, I am director of cardiology at Medanta Hospital.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So hold on. So are you talking about a software, or you are talking about a separate device and you detect?
It's a non-invasive device, sir.
Yeah.
Which they have made.
No.
So basically, sir, we take your PPG data, photoplethysmograph, and we take all of your health vitals through it. Now, what I do a health profiling of individual person. Now, if let's say today I come and my SpO2, like I even take a perfusion index. So I have created a health graph for a particular person. Tomorrow, if you come and if your vitals are a little up and down, I can alert you instantly. So it is exactly like a multi-parameter monitor, which is extended to up to hundreds and thousands of people. Like multi-parameter monitor requires to be 24/7 installed with some person. My device actually makes that profile on the server and it monitors you within a gap of 24 or 12 hours.
You spoke a word about COVID. So obviously it has got nothing to do with COVID, right? It will detect any type of infection, which could be any
Exactly, sir.
viral infection.
Exactly. So I even have health data, and we are also tying up with Central Lab to get the COVID data. So it also detects COVID-19 way before the symptoms come. Like I was infected in September, sir. I was alerted 3 days before with the help of this device because I was asymptomatic. And I detect cardiac respiratory diseases as well. And we also detect diabetes with 94% accuracy.
Yeah, it needs a lot of large-scale studies before the product actually hits the market and people start, because you would need recommendation from medical fraternity and the bodies. So anyway, good luck. It's a long way to go.
Yes, sir.
Good luck to you.
Thank you
Thank you
so much,
Bharat
sir.
sir, for your insight. Actually, I think it's a great input for Sanya. Sanya, I think this will be a wonderful insight for you to get connected with Dr. Bharat and the doctor fraternity to get feedback, because I think that is the very, very important aspect now for your next step.
Exactly. Sure,
Yeah.
ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Zinarti Maheshwari. I'm Fit India Ambassador and owner of Fitness Chain, The World of Fitness. I'm an international certified Zumba instructor, Aqua Zumba instructor, Kid Zumba instructor, functional trainer, and government certified fitness trainer. I take lots of fitness events, marathons, corporate events, and social events to motivate people to stay fit and stay healthy.
We have Aarti with us, so we can take up questions.
Yeah, she's there.
Aarti, you told that you are taking corporate fitness. So
Yes,
mostly
sir.
in corporate, the people are around 35, 40 plus 40, around 50. So
Yes,
do you
sir.
have any system to just have a medical checkup before incorporating them in your fitness center?
No, sir. Actually, we go there at the place. Like I take corporate events at Cipla and DHL and Impetus. So we go there and take the sessions for them, and all the health this thing are done by them. The corporate have this health checkup every year. They have the health checkup for their employees. So we just go and take the fitness session for them.
Okay. Good.
Yeah, but then this is a very important point.
Ji, sir.
Yeah, this has been a very pertinent point was asked to you that, if somebody is in 40 plus, it is very important that a prior medical checkup is done, and normally all the companies do not really ask their employees to do all the important tests. For example, I would recommend a stress test before, if somebody starts physical exercises suddenly after the age of 40 or 45 years. So I think that's a very, very important question that was raised. Because we see that there are people who suddenly start doing exercises once they are 45 or 50, and sometimes they can be in problems.
Okay, sir.
But anyway, great
risk-
effort. Nice to see you spreading awareness on fitness.
Risk factor is more in 40 plus 45 people. So you should have some system that you just before them you properly examine them just to avoid any
nice,
unavoidable
Mr.
circumstance.
Absolutely fantastic. Yes.
Great job.
I think Nileshi, you have some question. I think his network issue, so he's dropped out. But okay, we can go to the next. Thank you, Aarti. It was great listening to you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Hi guys, this is Neha Hirvani, the owner and founder of a very pretty salon in Indore in Vijayanagar by the name of Pink Palette. At Pink Palette, we don't only suffice to your beauty needs, but we also ensure that every client who walks into the salon experience with him or her. Also, someone who's been constantly motivated by your family and friends. I definitely try to extend that vibe to other women who've been trying hard to make a career. If I talk about Palette, our major collaborations and associations have been with women. The kind of events we keep doing, we try to empower women a lot. Also, I feel it's time that we all lovely women should actually step out and follow our passion, because God bless, I guess, that we are multi-talented. We can also handle homes, and we can also try to do something which we've really, really liked. So yes, I would just end it by saying that we all deserve to be happy.
Yeah, I think we have her here. So in case anyone, Neha is there. In case anyone has any question.
Ma'am, I think we can go ahead. Nobody
You
has
can go
raised
ahead.
a
You
hand.
can go ahead.
Yeah, please.
I would also request, before we go ahead, we have our participant, Miss Vinika. 1 second, Hariom. Vinika is into Chai Network. She's so in case anyone was left with asking any question, she's here. You all can ask. Vinika, you there? So Vinika, you can hear us? I think even now her network is not allowing her to. Vinika, can you hear us?
Before asking question, we would have liked to her again to see
Yeah,
what
exactly.
she is doing. We don't remember what she
You know,
was
can
doing.
we
don't,
move
we
ahead?
don't remember
Because, you know,
what she
I
was
need to
doing her
leave in about
activities.
5 or 10
Okay,
minutes.
sure.
So can we just
Okay,
go
let's
ahead?
go ahead.
Actually,
I think Vinika, we can't
actually,
hear her
her
even
mic,
now.
her mic is not working. That's why we can't hear her.
Hariyunji, let's
Okay.
move ahead because Dr. Bharat has to leave and we really have to complete this.
Perfect. Let's go.
Should we continue? Should we continue it? Go ahead.
हेयर और स्किन प्रॉब्लम्स को लेकर स्टार्टअप श्री जीवन जल हर्ब्स करीब 2 साल पूरे कर चुका है। फ्लैक्सीड जेल और अन्य बेनिफिशियल हर्ब्स को लेकर हम लगातार इनोवेटिव और रिजल्ट ओरिएंटेड वर्क कर रहे हैं। परिणामतः इंदौर जैसे शहर में बहुत ही छोटे पैमाने पर शुरू हुए इसके प्रोडक्ट्स एमपी, राजस्थान, गुजरात के साथ अब यूएस भी जाने लगे हैं। ऐसे समय जब फॉरेन बेस्ड कॉस्मेटिक प्रोडक्ट सिर्फ मार्केटिंग का सहारा लेकर हमारे देश से मुनाफा कमा रही हैं, उस समय इसके प्रोडक्ट्स धीरे धीरे ही सही लेकिन अपनी पहचान बना रहे हैं। हालांकि मार्केटिंग और फाइनेंस की कमी से प्रोडक्ट को पैठ बनाने में थोड़ी दिक्कत जरूर हो रही है, लेकिन हम अपने प्रयास लगातार बढ़ा रहे हैं। एंटी हेयर फॉल जेल के साथ मेथी दाना शहद से निर्मित शैम्पू, फेस ग्लो जेल बहुत ही अच्छा रिजल्ट दे रहे हैं और अब इसमें नया इनोवेशन करते हुए हम हेयर स्पा मॉइस्चराइजर क्रीम लाए हैं जो कि अमेजिंग रिजल्ट दे रही है। थैंक्स।
In case anyone have a question, Jayashree is here.
Jayashree is here. Jayashree, because is associated with our AIC, her primary problem currently is getting Ayush certification because she's making Ayurvedic product. So that is where she is stuck currently and she's not able to market her product despite of the fact that the product is giving good results and resale referral customer bahut hai. But this is a problem which she is facing constantly. So if any of our jury members can help her with this is what she is looking forward to.
Okay, I think we can go next. In that case.
Yes, next, please.
Hi, this is Smita Agarwal. I just started my journey with Om Collection, जो क्लोथिंग बिजनेस है जो जिसे मैं अब टोटली ऑनलाइन कर रही हूँ। मेरे हस्बैंड फार्मा लाइन में थे तो मोस्टली उनको मतलब खाने की थोड़ी दिक्कत आती थी, तो हमने सोचा कि ऐसी दिक्कत सबको बाकी लोगों को भी आती होगी, तो हम दोनों ने मिलकर खुशी की थाली रेस्टोरेंट स्टार्ट किया जिसमें हम हाइजीनिक और कम मसाले वाले खाने प्रोवाइड करते हैं। मोस्टली हमारे बैचलर और वर्किंग बैचलर स्टूडेंट जो होते हैं वो हमारे कस्टमर हैं, क्योंकि उनको रोज़ रोज़ खाना पड़ता है जो बिना कम मसाले वाले में ही मजा आता है। और उसी बीच जब लॉकडाउन लगा तो हम केक बनाते थे, खिलाते भी थे, तो डिमांड क्यों ना इसका भी बिजनेस स्टार्ट किया जाए। तो मैं और मेरी नीस ने मिलके केक का भी बिजनेस स्टार्ट किया, जो खुशीज केक के नाम से चलता है। फिर फिर डिमांड आई कि आप लोग क्यों सिखाते क्यों नहीं है। ऑनलाइन अपना वीडियो चालू करना है, ऑनलाइन क्लासेस भी चल रही है।
Apologies, we'll stick to only 1 minute.
I think Trivedi
Mitaji is there with us. Yes, please go ahead, please.
नीलेश सर, आप कुछ बोल रहे हैं, वी वांट टू हियर यू।
हाँ,
ऑडियो इज नॉट क्लियर
है, वो लेके काम करना चाहिए।
ऑडियो इज नॉट
नीलेश सर, ऑडियो बिल्कुल क्लियर नहीं आ रहा है सर। आप चाहें तो व्हाट्सएप कर दीजिए सर अपना क्वेश्चन, तो मैं देती हूँ। आपका ऑडियो बिल्कुल नहीं आ रहा है सर।
Okay, can we move to next?
Yeah, please move ahead.
Yeah, please, can we move ahead, please? Can we go to the next candidate?
Already we had given 13 names.
इसकी वो कहाँ है, वहीं लगी हुई थी ना, इसमें वहां रखी हुई है, जाके टेबल पे जल्दी लाना।
Ranjana madam, we can't hear anything. इसका ऑडियो चेक करिए
ऑडियो
प्लीज।
क्लियर नहीं है हरिओम सर। सर एक काम करते हैं,
वॉल्यूम बढ़ाइए।
एक काम करते हैं, इसका अगर ऑडियो क्लियर नहीं तो बाकी दो भी अपन प्ले कर लेते हैं, बिकॉज भरत सर को जाना है, तो एटलीस्ट ये हो जाए, फिर क्वेश्चंस इकट्ठे तीनों पार्टिसिपेंट से ले लेंगे सर।
Is it we have Preeti here, so Preeti, can you quickly talk about it, what you're trying to say? Preeti,
okay. So everyone, मैं शॉर्ट में आपको बता कि हमारा श्री श्री कलाश्री फाउंडेशन नाम का एनजीओ है। सुन रहे हैं मेरे को सब?
हाँ जी,
हाँ जी।
हाँ, तो एनजीओ के अंदर हम वुमन एंटरप्रेन्योर को ट्रेनिंग देते हैं, जिसमें हम हस्तकला उद्योग सिखा रहे हैं। उसमें ज्वेलरी मेकिंग है, पूजा थाली है, अलग अलग टाइप के हस्तकला है। अगर आप देखना चाहोगे तो अभी मेरे पास सैंपल भी है उसके दिखाने के लिए। सेकंड थिंग, मैं एक एस्ट्रोलॉजर भी हूँ, जहाँ पे रिसर्च सेंटर चलाते हैं हम। आपको भविष्य, पास और फ्यूचर सब बता सकते हैं, लेकिन रिसर्च उसके ऊपर रेमेडी क्या होती है वो मैं कर रही हूँ, उसमें रिसर्च कर रही हूँ। जैसे कि प्रेगनेंसी होना, और प्रेगनेंसी में कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स आते हैं, एबनॉर्मल चाइल्ड होते हैं, तो जिस टाइम गर्भधारणा होती है एज पर एस्ट्रोलॉजी, तो हम वो चाहते हैं कि वो बेबी अच्छे से हो जाए, तो उस टाइम से हम उनको रेमेडीज देना चालू कर देते हैं, और वो मुझे 200% अभी रिजल्ट आने लगे उस चीज पे। और आप अगर इंटरेस्टेड हो तो मैं अभी आपको वीडियो ऑन करके मेरे कुछ आर्ट वर्क भी दिखा सकती हूँ, जो मेरे वुमन एंटरप्रेन्योर में बनाए हैं। मैंने उनको ट्रेनिंग दिया था, और उसके बाद मैंने उनसे काम भी करवाया और उनको काम भी दिलवाया। मेरा काम मतलब सिखाना मेरा मकसद नहीं है, उनको काम भी दिलवाना ये मेरा इम्पोर्टेंट है।
Thank you so much, Preeti ji. That was very nice. So, since 1 minute is what is allowed, thank you so much. But definitely, I would request all the jury member to consider her into social activist category as per her profile. That's my feedback. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
What was her name?
Sir, next.
Can you repeat the name?
Preeti.
Yes.
Preeti, sir. Preeti. Yeah, Dr. Yeah, we can go next, Hariom.
नमस्कार, मैं डॉक्टर सृष्टि सराफ सिसोदिया, भारतीय।
अपने प्यारे 2 बच्चों की मम्मा होने के साथ ही समाज के लिए कुछ कर गुजरने की चाहत रखती हूँ। इसी के चलते फेसबुक पर मैंने 53,000 महिलाओं को अपने साथ जोड़ा है, जिसका नाम है विमेन घर से आसपास। और इंदौर के धरातल पर हमारा एनजीओ BY सोशल वेलफेयर सोसाइटी लगातार समाज और देश के लिए कुछ अच्छा कर गुजरने को प्रतिबद्ध है। महिलाओं का समूह विशेषकर इसलिए बनाया गया है जिसके अंतर्गत महिलाओं को हम सकारात्मकता की ओर ले जाते हैं, उनके होने का एहसास करवाते हैं और हम ये जानते हैं कि जब एक महिला कुछ करने का ठान लेती है तो पूरे समाज के एक नव निर्माण की ओर अग्रसर होती है, जिससे हमारे देश का भविष्य सुनिश्चित होता है। इसी के चलते महिलाओं में सकारात्मकता और जागरूकता की नींव रखते हुए हम लोग हर महीने समाज और देश की बेहतरी के लिए कार्य करते हैं। हमारा एनजीओ अपने घरों से निकलने हुए सारा
Apologies, we'll stuck to only 1 minute.
Yeah, I think we can have her in social activist category. Everyone, all the jury members, and in case anyone has any questions, she's here with us. Shrishti ji, you there? Yeah. Yes. So I think any jury have any questions?
Next, can we
Okay.
continue with next?
Okay, okay. Thank you so much. Shrishti ji, we can go to the next candidate, please.
How many are left? How many are left?
This is the last,
Okay.
but not the least.
Okay, okay.
नमस्कार लेडीज, मेरा नाम अर्चना कुलश्रेष्ठ। मेरी यूनिट का नाम शिप्रा सेल्स है। मेरा काम ब्लॉक प्रिंटिंग और हैंड पेंटिंग है। ये मेरी वर्कशॉप है जो आज आपको दिखाऊंगी। और मेरे द्वारा बनाए हुए प्रोडक्ट्स जो हैं मैं ब्लॉक प्रिंट करती हूँ, हैंडमेड पेंटिंग, जो कि मैं बाहर एग्जीबिशन में सेल के लिए जाती हूँ। और नेशनल और मल्टीनेशनल मेले में मेरा पार्टिसिपेट रहा है, जैसे सूरजकुंड मेला और एक्सपो रेगनैनी। इनमें भी जितने भी इंडिया में लगते हैं लगभग बहुत अटेंड किए हैं, जैसे बेंगलोर, बॉम्बे, पूना, भुवनेश्वर और ग्वालियर और जबलपुर, भोपाल। ऐसे कई जगह जहाँ लगते हैं हम लोग जाते हैं। और मैंने मालवा उत्सव इंदौर का, जो काफ़ी बड़े लेवल पे लगता है, बहुत एक्स्ट्रा।
Thank you, thank you. I think in case we have any questions, actually she's not there, right, Pallavi ji?
Yes.
I can't see her.
She's not there.
Okay.
You know, I need
Okay.
to say bye-bye and thank you so much, everybody, and best wishes to everyone.
Before we leave, I would like to request to everyone to please switch on their video so that we can click a good picture.